Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Ahmad Nur Fadli and you can call me Ahmad. My majority is programmer from Polytechnic IDN. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will create a simple website using Laravel and Filament. So it is simple, where at the top we will prepare a jumbotron like this. We can fill it with a title photo and also a brief description. We will have three menus, and we will have three menus like this. Here, there is a partner menu, about menu, and a profile menu. And then we click on the partner menu. It will go to the partner area where we can fill in the partner owner, or we can also fill it with the portfolio that we have. And then if we click about menu, and display will displays your about or our about, and the description is your profile. And then if we click profile menu, uh, the page will displays your location and around the web or your social media and about freelance or our skill. And then this is a footer, copyright, website Sederhana 2023. And we can update all the content in each menu track, the admin, which we will prepare using Laravel. And also, Filament itself is a tool to make it easier to organize data on our Laravel website. If the game itself is compiled using the following things. It is compiled from Tailwind CSS, then Alpen.js, then Laravel, and then also Liveware. For for admins, we will provide a login page there using Filament in the inside of our admin will contain several menus. For example, here there are sections and page. This section is used to organize the fields in the Jumbotron section and also in the About Us section of the partner page. Used to list partners who work together, or we can also fill in the portfolio that we have. Then in the admin section, we also prepare a settings menu where this settings menu is, this is for partner, and the setting menus is used to do things. We will also enter settings from our site to social media links in this settings menu, in this settings menu. And And the tools, I use SMPP controller or SMPP. I use SMPP in this tutorial to create a database and also view our data later. And then I use Composer, make sure it is connected to PHP. Then for the text editor that I use here is Visual Studio Code. Some of the tools that I use in my Visual Studio Code First, I use PHP in Philippines. Then there is Laravel Blade snippets, and there is a PHP namespace resolver. Friends, if you want to search for the extension, uh, uh, oh yeah, this is extension for Visual Studio Code. And if you want to search for the extension, please search for it. Extension section, then please just install it, then immediately enable it. Okay, first step is create new folder. So you can create new folder, and the name folder is Laravel website. Sudah ada. Okay, and then you can open your Visual Studio Code, and uh you can inside your website and like this. Okay, and then you can go to your terminal. Open new terminal, and then you can type composer create project Laravel. Oh yeah, you can create composer. You can type composer, create project Laravel slash Laravel 10. This is version of Laravel. So this is must 10 because Filament provide Laravel 10. Okay, and you can enter. Okay, wait a minute, downloading. The application case set successfully. Okay, the installation has already. So next step you can go to your Sampape control, and you can start Apache, and then you can start like SQL. So don't forget uh, to start, and then you can go to your database. Uh, okay, you can go to your browser, and you can So we will create the database first. Okay, so we will create the new database. So you can click new, and then you can name it. So I will name the database is Laravel. This website sederhana, and you can click create. So the database has already, and then so we we will create connection the Visual Studio Code and with your database Laravel website sederhana. So you can go to your Visual Studio Code and go to uh, .env file, and then you can go to DB connection. Oh, I'm sorry. You can change this Laravel. You can change with your database Laravel. This website sederhana. Okay, and then we will check the connection what successfully. So you can go to new terminal and you can type PHP artisan serve and you can enter, and then you can copy this. So you can go to new tab. Okay, so as you can see, the connection successfully. Okay, so we will install the filament. So you can go to your Visual Studio Code, and then you can new terminal. So you can type composer. You can type composer require filament slash filament. So this is code for install filament. So you can enter and then composer installing. So you can waiting. As you can see, filament downloading. Generate. Okay, publish for tag. Okay. And you can see using version 2.17 for filament. So this is so filament has already installed. So we uh clear uh so we clear this clear. Okay. We need to enter the data into our database. So once we have the filament. Yes, that's it, installed in our Laravel project. The first thing we need to do later is enter the user, where the user will be used to log in to our admin page. Well, of course, because here we are will carry out the login process. Yes, the filament itself needs a user's table, where the user table has actually been prepared by Laravel. Uh, so you can see database and migration. So this is file for user tables. Yes, during the installation process, yes, it has been provided by Laravel. Please look at the database migration. Later, there is a migration there that has been prepared. There is something called a table user. Yes, this user has been prepared by Laravel. So we can connect the filament that we have with the existing schema that has been prepared by our Laravel. You need to enter the schema in the migration section so that you can enter our database section to enter it. So please enter the command php artisan migrate like this. So you can type php artisan. So this is artisan. Oops, artisan migrate. So you can, so this is code for migration for connection filament with database user or table user. Like so, you can enter, and then as you can see in your database, this is close. Uh, and as you can see, Laravel website, and this table has migrate or table has already successfully. Okay, uh, and then you can type PHP artisan make filament user. You can enter, and this is for the name, so you can uh uh insert the name. For example, I insert name Abdullah, and email address is abdullah at gmail.com, and the uh password blank, so you can enter. Oh, I'm sorry, the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The password like this, so you can enter. Success, Abdullah Gima. So don't forget your password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And then would you like to show some love by sharing the repo? Yes or no? This is no. Okay. Has so filament user has already created. Okay, so you can check the table. You can go to your database website and users. And as you can see, name Abdullah, email abdullah@gmail.com, and password 1234567 8. Okay, so has been created. Next, we will create a model and migrate model section and migrate. So you can go to your Visual Studio Code and go to terminal and it's clear, and you can type PHP artisan make model. This is code for create model. Model section. I will name section, and don't forget migration for migration mean aim, and then you can enter. So created successfully model migration uh, created successfully. So next you can go to uh, that database migration 2023 uh, for checking. So you can go to database and migration 2023. This is for to file has created, so you can add table string name. You can add in public function inside schema create. Uh, you can create table string title title and table string table dollar table and string. This is for thumbnail, and you can create dollar table and long text. This is for content. So content, long text, and for content. As you can see, you can create it, this code. Can add once again, and you can add a table. Uh, this table for enum, and inside enum post s and jumbotron type. This is jumbotron, and this is for about. You can change about, and this is enable no label, and this is blank. Okay, And then you can go to this file. You can see in app models section dot pp. You can go to section and you can uh, add inside class section protected protected variable 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 title thumbnail content and post as. So you can type like this and then you can go to terminal. So this clear and so this is you can type PHP artisan migrate. This is for created new table. The table is section. As you can see, table is section, and this is for migration with that your database and your code. So you can type PHP artisan migrate and you can enter. So running. So you can checking your table section table in your database. So as you can see, section table has created. And you and if you click this section and structure, and as you can see, this is the column for of column, and column has been created by we. Yeah, column has been created. You can, oops, you can go to Visual Studio Code and migration. This is for creating column in table section. Okay. Okay. So for next step, you can check the website Laravel and you can type. This is you can checking for admin. You can type admin and the page displays like this, and then you can add your uh, users for uh, created. So I add users Abdullah. So you can type uh, email Abdullah at gmail.com, and then this password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I will click rem, remember me. You can sign in. Do not match power. Okay. Uh, users Abdullah, Astaghfirullahaladzim. I forgot. I typo. This is Abdullah, and remember me, and you can sign. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, this is for dashboard for admin, user admin. Okay, next, so we will create a new resource for filament. So you can go to uh, your Visual Studio Code and this clear, and then you can type PHP, oops, and then you can type composer, composer required doctrine slash debug min dev. So this is code for creating a new resource of filament, and then you can enter, and you can waiting for installing. Okay, so as you can see, installed has successfully. Okay, next, so next step is creating page B, creating resource. This is not full, so can type artisan make and filament resource section. This is for section and mean generate. So before enter, you can go to your database and then section structure and post as. This is you can delete. So click drop, and yes, drop as. You can delete the you can delete the post as, and then you can now you can enter it. Okay, successfully created section results. As you can see, filament new file. So file filament has created results. So like that. As you can see, this file has created. So you can go to next, you can go to your website, and then you can refresh it, and uh, this page display new that new new file, and the name new file is sections menu, new menu. As you can see, new menu section, and if you click sections, uh, the section has uh, displays the column, our column, and you can see this term and uh, new section button and button add, so you can see create section, title, thumbnail, content, create another, cancel. Okay, so this is the result for the code as the code we are creating. Next, we can go to your database and we will create a new post as. So you can click this after contain uh, after content this after content, and you can click go and name as usually post as, and then the type is enum. Where is enum? Mm, okay, like this, and length of the length is jumbotron, 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 and about. Okay, and then you can click save, and as you can see, post S has been created again. Okay, as you can see, post S, Unitron, so you can go to sections and new sections. So this is we will add new column. The column is select. So you can go to sections filament. You can go to app, disclose. You can go to app, and then go to filament and sections resource dot php, and you can go to public. Where is you can go to function form, public function form, and then you can add form component, select, make, post as, uh, and then you can type option, option, and inside option jumbotron, and inside idea and jumbotron and about this uh, and this change about, and okay, you can see, so this delete. For next, for checking, you can check result. So refresh, and this is as you can see, post as, select an option, jumbotron or about. So we will read this section for one column. So this is two column. So we will create this section for one column. So you can go to your Visual Studio Code. So this is close, wait, minimize, and then you can type in inside schema. Wait a minute. You can type card, card make, and schema, schema, and inside schema, you can block this and you can insert, oops, you can insert, uh, you can insert inside uh, schema like this. Okay, okay. Mm, okay, you can. Oops. Okay. Okay. So you can type like this, and then you can check the result. Okay. So as you can see, one column like this. Okay. As you can see, this thumbnail we will change. Not input text, but we will change like this option. So we will change thumbnail with select an option. Eh, no select an option, but upload gambar, upload picture. So we will change with upload picture. Okay, so you can go to your Visual Studio Code and we change this not text input, but we'll file upload. And you can, okay, and you, I'm sorry, you can delete this max length, you can delete, uh, and then you can type image, and you can type this, and inside this is public. Okay, so you can check, and this is refresh. So as you can see, the thumbnail has been uh, successfully or changed. Next, as you can see, content we will change it. So, but the content we will change that with where we cherish like that. Plus, the content can edit or can uh, choose. Oh no, you can. You can uh, reach. This is for content. So as you can see, content has been like this. Okay. So you can go to Visual Studio Code, and then you can change this content text area with rich editor. And don't forget to save Control S, and then you can refresh, and so change has successfully. As you can see, you can like this. So yeah, so we will checking for the result. So you can type title. So I will type my name, Sadly, and the thumbnail, uh, my photo. So my photo. So you can waiting for uploading, and then the content is uh human, no, or junior programmer and uh, junior webs uh, web dev web development. So Jumbotron, and then you can create. So you can waiting created, and then you can check. Okay, so you can check database, and then you can go to browse, and as you can see, database has created avatar Fadli, thumbnail, content, post as created, update. And then thumbnail with save in Visual Studio Code, go to storage, in storage, and app, and public. So this is storage for your thumbnail, as you can see. So like that. Okay, so uh, you can go to section, and then we will check the results. The displays has your table. So as you can see, the table has displayed. And Ahmad Fadli thumbnail SVG, thumbnail PNG, no, I'm sorry, content like this. Okay, and created and auto edit button. So we will created the table uh, rapi. So we will create the table, the column uh, with need. So you can go to your Visual Studio Code, and then you can go to section resource.php file section resource.php, and you can scroll down and go to public function table, and you can delete this content and update content. You can delete, and you can change this column, this thumbnail text column. You can change image column. So don't forget to save, and you can go back, and you can refresh, and okay, as you can see, like this, not the thumbnail, not uh not displays because the thumbnail lagging. Okay, okay. I forgot for post s, so we will create it post s, this table, this column post s, and so you can go to columns and copy this, and you can change this with post s. Okay, you can refresh, and as you can see, post s jumbotron. Type post s is jumbotron. Okay, so I'm sorry the thumbnail not displays because it was wrong, and then so we will fix it. So you can go to Visual Studio Code and new terminal, or this clear, and then you can type HP artisan storage storage link, and you can enter, and so you can see storage app liveware for public. So next step is you can go to a NV, and then
Saya Ctrl S, sekarang coba
you can uh change, and then you can change app URL, this change localhost with uh 127.0, so like this, and then uh like this. Don't forget to save, and then you can check the hood, and as you can see the thumbnail has displayed it. So we will create a uh, new feature, a, and the feature is column searching with post s and title. Okay, so you can go to your Visual Studio Code and this terminal close. Can go to section dot, oh no, you can go to section resource.php, and then you can add in the title, you can add uh, short table, short 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 table and search table, and then in post s you can type search table also, so like this, and then you can go back and refresh your page, and as you can see research has been created. So you can see title has been like this, and then you can search XXX, no records found because not data, no data, and then you can search Ahmad, and you can see Ahmad Nurfadli like this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So we will create delete button. So you can go to Visual Studio Code and you can go to Filament sections resort app, Filament section resort, and you can go to edit section, and then you can add, you can add, uh, you can add after, and inside after you can add function, and then this function blank, oh no, section, but this function section, use app models, use app model section, and record, use app models section, and then uh, inside function if record thumbnail storage, uh, record record thumbnail, uh, thumbnail, uh, and then Kurawal, and then inside storage, okay, storage, this public, Mhm. Is public. Then delete record thumbnail. So like this. Next, we will checking for delete button. So you can go to your website and refresh, and then the tombol button inside edit button. As you can see, Jumbotron, Juniper Gamer, and this is delete button. So you can click delete, and delete section. Are you sure you would like to do this? So you can click confirm, and the delete has successfully deleted. And then you can check. You refresh, and as you can see, uh, not data structure section. Yes, inside section, not data. And then you can go to Visual Studio Code and check the data in public storage and not the picture as deleted. Okay, guys. Next. So I will create new data again, new section again, and my name. And this is my photo. Wait a minute. And then waiting, uploading file. Okay, so the content is junior programmer and junior programmer and uh, web development for junior web development and Jumbotron. Don't forget, and you can create. Okay, created. So you can go back, go new section, and again new section. The title is uh, uh, Umar or Nur Fadila, and then the thumbnail again. Vector. Okay, uh, I will create three data. So, hello, my name is Nur Fadila, and then Jumbotron, create, created. Okay, you can check section, Nur Fadila created, and then I will create three data, Raska, Skamalika, and thumbnail again, with what, um, so, okay, like this, and then you can create, uh, my name, uh, is Skamalika, and option Jumbotron, create, so created, so you can check. Okay, like this. So we will create delete selected or delete selected like this. Delete selected. So we will create it. Okay. You can go to Visual Studio Code and you can go to uh section research and you can scroll down, get relation. We can go to table and this bulk action, as you can see, bulk action. So bulk action. So you can add. Okay, you can add after function record. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm sorry guys, not like this. So you can make and you can type after and inside after function and function. So inside uh, function collection. Okay, collection go to database eloquent. So this and then record and inside record for each record as key and then value this value and then this value thumbnail storage this public delete record. Okay, this value exif thumbnail or thumbnail. Okay, and then you can scroll up. So you can type like this. Okay, you can type like this, and then you can scroll up. Wait a minute. Yes, you can scroll up, and you can see builder self storage for facade. Okay, you can element support facade storage. Okay, you can add new code, use Illuminate support facade storage. Okay. Okay, next we will checking. So you can go to this refresh and then you can uh so you can delete this. Okay, delete selected. And there's a section additional confirm. And as you can see, the data has deleted, so you can check the data section, and as you can see, Nur Fadila. Okay, you can go to Visual Studio Code, and then you can check public storage, and this page or this gambar has like this picture one picture. Okay, so you can go to your your own website and then delete this and we will create new section my name title is my name or title is Nurfadila and thumbnail is my photo open and this is my name and this is junior programmer and web web developer atau web developer. And then Jumbotron you can create. Okay, go to section and so the data has created. Okay, guys, so next step we will create edit, completed edit. So you can go to section.php, where is this section.php, and then add you can add protected protected static static and function boot and then parent boot and static updating function model, and inside if model terminal if model if model is the thumbnail wait thumbnail is the thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, inside. Wait, error model is model. Oh yeah, this is like this. Okay. Oh, and then can storage, storage. This public delete. Uh, this public delete model get. Okay. Uh, okay. And then you can type model is dirty thumbnail. And then you can type and model models uh, model get get original original. Then inside get original you can type thumbnail thumb, thumbnail, and then no no All storage this public delete model get original thumbnail. Okay, you can delete this. Okay, as you can see like this, you can type like this.
Akan ganti dengan ini saja.
Okay, guys, let's check the result. So you can click edit and then you can edit the data, the uh, the picture. So like this, uploading complete. So save change and the thumbnail has changed and you can checking result thumbnail and then you can check in Visual Studio Code. You can go to public, the storage, and as you can see, the picture has changed. Okay, guys. Next, so we will create models. So now we can go to terminal. And then clear. And then you can type PHP artisan make okay model part no mean don't forget mean add. So this is code for terminal for fit models and inside models we will coding of HTML. Okay, so you can enter, click enter PHP artisan make model partner min and you can wait. Okay, so you can see. Okay, you can as you can see uh create a model created successfully migration created successfully. And then we will check database migration 2000. Okay, model app models partner.php app models partner.php. Okay. Okay, next, you can go to this migration. You can go to app. Or you can go to database migration 2023, and then you can add inside schema, table string title, and then table string thumbnail, and then tables long text content, and then table string link. Okay, uh, table string and inside string link. So you can type like this for column. Okay, next, you can go to app model PHP, app models, partner PHP, and then you can add under user face factory protected, available title, thumbnail, content, and link. So you can type like this, and then now we can check the result. So go back to terminal and it's clear. So type PHP artisan serve. Uh, yeah, I am sorry. Before it, I forgot. Before artisan serve, we must migrate. Okay, so uh, clear. Okay, new terminal, and we must wait a minute. We must migrate the file first. PHP artisan migrate, and you can enter. Okay, the table has migrated. We can check the result. You can go to localhost and then Laravel website and loading. Okay, uh, as you can see, double partner has created. So you can click and structure, go to structure, and then as you can see, ID, title, thumbnail, content, link, created at, update at. So double partner has created. And next step is so now we will create a new menu. The menu is partners under sections. So you can go to Visual Studio Code and then clear this first. So you can type PHP artisan make filament research research filament research partner, and don't forget generate, and then you can enter it. So waiting. Okay, successfully created partners research. Well, okay, we will check the results. So you can go to your browser, section Laravel, and then you can refresh. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, partner has created. So this error because you can reload the PHP artisan serve, and you can click again, and then like this partner and new partner, and we can click new partner and this title, thumbnail, link, content. link, and yeah. Next step is you can copy the pattern of sections. So you can go to Visual Studio Code and then we use close and this close, close. Okay, and app close. Okay, and then you can go to section, edit, and section, and then partner section, edit, partner, edit partner, edit section, edit partner. Okay, section partner, where is section? Okay, section partner, section. Okay, and then you can copy this in section page B, partner. Okay, use face factory protected. Close. So you can copy this and then you can go to partner.php and then under protected variable you can paste and you can save and then you can import class. Okay, I'm sorry. And then okay, you can add uh, this. You can use type use illuminate illuminate database minate uh database eloquent model eloquent eloquent. Okay, I'm sorry. So you can type illuminate database eloquent uh, model. Oh, I'm sorry. Under this, you can you can type use illuminate support facade storage. So next step, you can go to partner research. Partner research. Now you can go to section research, and then you can copy this return, and then you can go to partner. no, partner research, and then you can paste uh, block first, and then you can paste uh, the table, and then you can delete, and then you can copy component. Okay, and then you can copy this title. You can copy this and paste this like this. So uh, okay, okay, and then this import class, and you can click on top and like this, and then you can go back to section research, and then you can go to table and copy this column, and you can go to partner resource again, and then you can paste like this, and then we will copy this and change for post s, copy and change post s, and change title with uh, link. Don't forget to save. Next, you can go back section, go to bulk action, and you can copy this, and then you go back to partner research and bulk research, bulk action. I'm sorry. So you can paste, and then this is not not have class, so you can import class and choose eliminate database eloquent collection, and then storage import class, don't forget. Okay, okay, next you can go to edit section, and then copy this return, or no, inside return action, so you can copy this, and then you can go to edit partner, and then you can change action partner paste, and don't forget to save, and then you can change section for partner, and you can type the click right click and import class. Don't forget the class imported. So uh, you can go to storage, which is, and then don't forget to import class partner like this. And then we will check this. So you can go to, please, you go to Visual Studio, your browse, and then go partner. You can, okay. Uh, you can go terminal. Okay, PHP artisan serve, and don't forget, and then slash admin, and you can go to partner, or before it we edit this with edit this with my photo. Mhm. Save change. Now go back section, and as you can see, you can go to partner and new partner. So I will for example, integer, choose file, integrate io, integrate dot io, and then you can choose file, integrate dot io, integer, integrate dot io. This is for example. Okay, what? Oh, title, thumbnail, content. So title, thumbnail, content, link. I'm sorry, guys. You can change. You can go to partner research.php, and then you can go to function form, and change this with link. And then you can go back to web browser. So in partners, not title, you can change link, and then you can refresh, and like this section, new section, post as, post as, and new partners, and I will integrate io, and then like this, and then ipsum. This for example. So integrate.io, you can copy this, and so you can create is created, and then you can see like this. So if we click, okay, next we will create a new menu. The menu is setting. Okay, you can edit and delete this, and you can go back to Visual Studio Code and go to public storage, and as you can see, this is my photo, this is my picture. Okay, and then now it's clear. You can go to terminal and type HP artisan make model setting. This is for new menu setting. Okay, so don't forget. So don't forget to min m, and you can enter. Okay, make. I'm sorry, I'm typo. Which be artisan make model setting. Can enter. Okay. Uh, Sederhana app model setting.php. I'm sorry. Is for delete. This is delete. I forgot to migration. So for delete, um, uh, is clear, and PHP artisan make model, setting. So don't forget to m. Okay, so as you can see, setting and TTP controller, no, TTP, we can go to where is migration, database migration setting, the setting, this is for section, and this is for partner, and this is for setting. So next step is we minimize this, and then you can add in migration, and yes, migration script setting migration. And then you can type inside under ID string key value and under key string label and inside this new label and inside value you can type table string uh, table and this is string and this is type and not nullable so can delete. Don't forget to save. Okay, next we will uh, you can type under schema. You can type setting. Okay, and this has been created. Setting app model setting, and then uh, create. Oops, created, and inside created, and you can don't forget and don't forget. Okay, label value like this. You can change this with site name, and then label. You can change judul, situs, and then in value you can change website, website sederhana, and then in type you can type text. And then you can copy this, you will create again and change this with location, location, and label. You can change uh, with alamat kantor, and inside value you can change with your address. Sleman, no, my address is Bogor, Jawa Barat, and Indonesia, alamat kantor, your office address, and this text as usual. And then you can paste again, and then you can change this with YouTube, YouTube, and then label. You can change with YouTube, and this change with your link, and then this text, and you can copy this, paste three paste. Okay, next you can change this with your Instagram, Insta, Instagram, and this Instagram, and this Instagram. And again, this is for your Twitter, your X, uh, Twitter, and change again Twitter, and this again Twitter, and this is for your Facebook, and this is also Facebook, and this link your go to your Facebook page like this. So you can type like this: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Okay, next you can paste again, and this is for freelance and set description. So you can type description and label you can change with uh, site description, and then this link you can change with website sederhana uh, dengan min filament. Now you can go to model file, and model file in model file setting, and under use as factory you can type protected field label, protected field label k label value type. So you can type like this. Okay, next you can so we will check or we will create a migrate. We will migration for file. So you can go to your terminal and then type HP artisan migrate. You can enter and migrate successfully done, and you can check in your local house this closed and website Laravel. So table settings has created successfully, and you can click, and then site name, local location, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, site description. So the column or the table has created. Okay, so now we will create a resource, filament resource for setting. So you can go to your terminal and then this clear, and then you can type php artisan make filament make php artisan make filament research setting mean this is simple, not migrate, and then you can enter. So successfully created setting research. Okay, you can see setting research like this. Okay, so as you can see, new setting research file has created and folder setting research, and inside folder setting research one file, and the name file is manage settings. Okay, as you can see, so we will check the result, and you can go to Laravel and slash uh, admin. So you can see setting is created. Okay. So as you can see the results like this. So next step, next we will delete this button new setting. Okay, because this button don't need it, and so you can go to your Visual Studio Code and close terminal, and then you can comment this because this is a button for setting, so you can comment this and you can check refresh this website. As you can see, this the setting buttons has deleted. Okay, now we will display this text. So we will display labels and value. So you can go to Visual Studio Code, and then you can go to settings, setting research, and uh, you can go to table function table, and this delete, and then you can type tables, so backslash, oops, backslash, column, and backslash, uh, text column, make k, and then you can copy, okay, and then you can tables, columns, label. So yeah, don't forget to save, and then you can check and refresh. Check, refresh. Okay, as you can see, okay, label. Okay, I'm sorry. This is not okay. So this is change. This is value, and this is for level. Okay, refresh. Okay, so this is for display like this. You can so we will limit site description. So you can go back, and then you can type limit and 14. Okay, don't forget to save, and you can go back and check. Okay, so 20. So we will change with 20, and you can back. Okay, so as you can see, the limit like this value has limited. So this is change with 40. So we will delete button delete. So you can go to source the code, and then you can go to book this comment this, and also comment this action delete so you can see refresh uh, so like this button delete has deleted. Okay, next if we click edit button and text not display, so we will make a text display. So you can go back to Visual Studio Code and then you can add a form function function and setting model setting and record, and then inside setting record switch and you can type record type case text. Okay, case this delete text input make record text input make value, so this delete uh value value and then label, and inside label correct label, so like this. Forget to like this and form again. Don't forget to save, and then you can check the result, so you can refresh and then you can click the edit button, and then the text has displayed. Website sederhana, and if we add or we change the Laravel, we edit website sederhana with website sederhana Laravel and click this change and save it. So website sederhana has changed. Okay, so we will create a new case, and this is break. You can type break, and then you can type this. Oops. Okay, you can change this with long text, and then uh, this text input you can change with rich editor, and then you can go to your local host, and then you can change this site description, edit, and you can change text with a long text, and then you can save, go, as you can see, text, long text, and then you can refresh your website and you can type edit and rich editor display like this. If you edit or add new text, for example, untuk oops, and then you click save change and okay, so website sederhana has changed. Okay, as you can see, the icons are same. So we will change the icon one by one. So you can go back, go to what, go to partner. No, go to partner research. Okay, partner research, and this we will change with a new. So you can go to your browser and new tab, and you can type v1 dot hero icons dot com and like this, and you can search for partner external. So you can copy this link and go to Visual Studio Code and delete collection only, and copy with external link. And then you can check your website and the icon has changed. And then we can go back to her icon and type bookmark, and you can copy this and go to back and go to section research, and then change this collection with uh, your link, and then you can check again. Section has changed, and then you can change again, uh, and like this. So you can change, copy, and then go back to Visual Studio Code and setting, and change this collection with your link. Okay, so go back, you can check, and then like this, as you can see, the icon has changed. Okay, we will create the landing page, our website. So this is landing uh, first page our website. So we will create a landing page for our website. So I will download. We will download a template about template Jumbotron. So you can go to new tab and then you can type github.com/ uh, di di rumah Rafif slash template seder sederhana. Can go to this GitHub, so you can click code and you can download zip. Start download. Okay, and then you can go to your file manager and then go to compress template sederhana and you can extract all. Okay, this is file extract. Okay, so next step is you can go to inside template sederhana and then you can copy this file assets css and JS. You can copy and then you can go to your file Laravel website sederhana in desktop Laravel website sederhana and go to public. Then you can copy paste in public. Okay, don't forget to save. And then you can go back to file template sederhana and you can copy this again. Okay, I'm sorry. Only index. You can copy this only index, and then you can go to your file Laravel Sederhana in desktop, and then you can go to resources and views, and then you can paste index this file index, and then you can go to your Visual Studio Code. And then you can go to resource, views, index, HTML, and then you can rename this file, rename with dot fun dot blade dot php, and then you can enter. Okay, so as you can see like this, and then we can check go to your browser, we can check the website, refresh, don't forget, and then you can type you can slash add slash plan, can enter. Okay, not far. So why not font? Because we we don't we don't routing the file. So you can go back to Visual Studio Code and then you can go to root, research, under research root, go to web, and then you can change this welcome with depan. Okay, so you can go back and then delete it, and then you can enter. And as you can see, web has created. Okay, so this is a template. So now we will create or we will create connection for your section, your partner, and then your settings. Uh, and then this we will change double step like this. Not template again. So you can go back. So we will create a decoration with helper, and then you can go back to Visual Studio Code. We will create the file with name helper. The name is helper file. You can go to apps. So we will create a helpers file inside apps, and then you can click new file and type helpers.php, and then you can create a PHP type PHP like this. Okay, before we code in helpers.php, before it, so you can go to composer.json, and you can go to autoload, and then you can add new code with files app helper.php, and then you can go to terminal. Oops. We can clear this, clear, and then you can type PHP, or no, composer dump min autoload, and you can enter. So you can waiting for loading. Generating optimized autoload files. Done autoload. So the processing autoload composer has successfully all done. Okay, we will close this, and then we will close. We will. We need helpers, only helpers, and the template. And close this. Close. 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 Okay. Okay, next you can go to helpers.php, and then you can type function, and it's get setting value, setting value, value k, and inside setting value, oops, and inside create new variable data, and inside data uh settings, and setting this where k first, and this import class. Okay, so you can uh, add use app model settings, and then under this if. Okay, so you set and you set data, return data value, and if else, oops, oops, and else return for example empty and empty. Okay, so as you can see, we will connection for admin and with first with uh, admin. This starts Bootstrap with admin, so you can go to the button blade and scroll up and uh and upper scroll up, and then you can type PHP and PHP like uh oh, I'm sorry, this delete, and then you can type variable oops, dollar site name, and it's get setting value site name, and you can change this with underscore site name, and then you can change this title uh, with title with site, oops, dollar site name, and then you can change in navbar menu, navbar store bootstrap with site name, and then we will change the copyright with site name. You can scroll down, go to site name. Where is copyright? This your site, delete, and with site name, site name. And you can check the results, so you can refresh. You this is must change, so you can reset. So as you can see, this has changed and the title has changed. So we will create the Jumbotron helper, and then you can go back to helpers.php. You can type under function get settings. You can type function get section data, and with K, and inside data. Oops. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So Okay, so you can type data variable with section app models sec section app models and has created. So where and oops, this is changed with post s post s. And then if you set data, return data, and else return empty. I forgot else delete. Um,
Data seperti ini. Sekarang kita ubah di bagian bleed.
okay, like this. Okay, no else. So now go to the command blade and scroll down, and then new variable, jumbotron. Get get section get section data, and this is changed with post s. I'm sorry. So this is jumbotron. Okay, so you can change the HTML. You can go to footer. You can go to masthead, and you can change this bootstrap. Stop with bootstrap with with jumbotron jumbotron title. So this is for title. And then this change, you can change with storage, 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 URL, storage, URL, and jumbotron thumbnail. This image change thumbnail. Thumbnail. Like this. And then you can change this with Jumbotron title, Jumbotron content. This content. Okay, like this. So you can refresh your website and refresh. Okay. Okay, reload, go to terminal, PHP artisan so, and you can click undefined. Okay, okay, so you can go back. This is you can change with uh and again um and with uh and then this strip takes. Okay, you can refresh. Okay, undefined. Okay, guys, this error because this is underscore, so you can change this with underscore. Okay, you can save, and then you can refresh again. Okay, storage URL Jumbotron thumbnail. Okay, so you can go to Jumbotron URL, storage URL Jumbotron thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail Jumbotron. Okay, guys, we can refresh. Okay, image, US storage URL Jumbotron. So, this error because my picture file is .png, and then this is for SVG. So you can change, you can change admin, and then you can section edit and display with browse. Uh, where is so we will change with svg. We will try. Okay, and then you can wait. Save change. Don't forget. Can section Google. Okay, you can enter. Okay. Why error? Okay, guys. I'm sorry. So this is storage. Okay, I know. I was wrong. So uh, we can change back again. Admin with my picture. Go to section, edit, and then and close. And my picture. Where is my picture? So uploading. Save change. Section has changed. So go back. Uh, go back, and then enter error, and this storage. Okay, you can refresh it, and as you can see, a website runner Laravel Ahmad Fadli, junior programmer, web developer. Okay, next, so we can change this location and around the web and about freelance with our location. So you can go back to your Visual Studio Code and you can copy and then you can change with location and this change with location. Okay, so you can change, scroll down, you can change location, and this you can delete, and you can type Purawal uh, with location. Don't forget to save, and then you can refresh. Location has changed. Okay, next we will change this about freelance with about site and of course the text also. So you can go to source video code and scroll up and then you can uh, paste and then you can so site description and then this change site description again and you can scroll down. You can delete this and we can change with site description and then this about site. Oh yeah, I forgot. So this is uh, change with Tonasaru. Oops. So don't forget to save and then you can refresh and has changed about site, website, sederhana. Okay. This delete and then like this. So you can refresh again. Okay, websites about sites. Okay, so of course error. Okay. Uh, so like this. Okay, as you can see about site web sederhana dengan admin filament untuk hidup sederhana. Okay. Or we change with strip text and this delete. Oops. Forget. Okay, we refresh. Okay, so like this. Okay, now we can change this link around the web. This link around the web. You can go to Visual Studio Code and scroll up and then you can paste, and then you can change site name with YouTube, and then you can change with Instagram, and then you can change with Twitter, Twitter, and then you can change with uh, Facebook. Okay, so you can change this with YouTube, also this Instagram, and this with Twitter, and this with Facebook. Okay, now you can go to scroll down. You can go to footer social icon, footer social icon, footer social icon. Okay, so and around the world, around the web, uh, we can type uh, if YouTube, and then this inside, and then this and if, and you can uh, cut and paste uh, paste inside, and then you can change ref with YouTube. Okay, now we create Instagram. So this is cut and create F Instagram, uh, B if, and this Instagram, and then inside this cut, don't forget subscribe to Instagram and tap again beef, and this is Twitter, and inside this close, and don't forget to change href Twitter. Okay, this is changed with Facebook, and then cut and beef Facebook, Facebook, and then don't forget to control V, and like this. Check the result. You can go to your site and refresh it. Okay. Welcome website to learn a lot of help. And then we click one. Go to YouTube. And oops, I'm sorry. Uh, okay, I'm sorry. So you can Facebook, Twitter, go to Twitter, and oops, and Instagram, go to Instagram, and Facebook, go to Facebook. Like the okay, now we will connection about with um, our database about us. Okay, so you can go to admin, and this section. This is about okay. You can go to your database. Hey, your Visual Studio Code, and then scroll up, and we will create a new. We will create new variable, and the name variable is this is change with about, and this change with about like this. And then you can scroll down, go to about section, and then you can change this with uh, this with about. Okay, you can go to this SRC. You can change with storage URL about, and this is storage URL title, URL about title, and then you can uh, delete this tag p, and then you can change where it's about strip text. You can change with just the tab about content like this, and then you can check this delete, and then oops, just delete, enter. Okay, page heading Python about Python. Okay, error in about title. Okay, so you can change this with a thumbnail, and then about title. Okay, you can refresh, Error because about title. Can scroll down, scroll up. About get section data. Okay, guys. So error this because I don't add new section. So I will add new new section, and with title about us, and then thumbnail is integrate you, and then this is for example. So uh, this is question is about, okay, post s with about. I will click. Okay, so go to section and then section. Okay, so you can delete and oops, can delete this. And then nice, like this. Okay, as you can see about like this. Okay, next we will create this section, this partner. Okay, you can go to helpers.php and then new function. Okay, with function uh, gate partner, and then all, and then oops, and then inside data partner. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. So this is function for gate partner, and then inside that oops data partner is a model partner all, then return data. Okay, next you can go to blade, scroll up, and then under about you can type for variable uh, partner get partner get partner like this. Okay, and then you can go to partner grid items. Partner, where is partner? Okay, partner grid items. This in this, so you can add page B and page B and then variable e. So and then underline PHP for each partner as item, uh, add and for each. And then you can cut this partner item and go to this for control V, and then can change it with uh, E. Okay, oops, yes, dollar E, and then uh inside this. Okay, then like this, as you can see, and then you can change this item search with storage item thumbnail. Okay, like this, and then inside this you can type this and then add PHP with uh, like this and add and dot PHP. Okay, you can check before check you can go to admin and then you can new partners, can new partners for partners X and thumbnail is like this and then contain act bebas then itu view create. Okay, go back and go to and postman thumbnail is postman and this is for example, so you can create and go back partner, so this is for partner and then you can check uh, this and you can check the partner go you can check the partner like okay, so as you can see this is not display, so you can go to Visual Studio Code and then you can scroll down, go to partner models and this is you can close and in partner under partner models you can type uh, looping PHP and PHP then PHP $1 and for each partner as item and this is and for each so you can cut this and go to like this. Okay, so as you can see like this, and then you can check, go back, so refresh, and okay, not display because not loop. This add PHP and then and PHP and then E plus plus and then you can change like this and model one you can change like this and then you can change uh wait okay you can refresh. Oh, okay, you can go back to Visual Studio Code and then we can check. Okay, Kevin, you can delete with item title. Okay, next we can change this with storage item thumbnail like this, and then you can check the result, refresh. Okay. Okay, because so to terminal and clear this. So page sensor and then control click and you can click this. Not okay. You can check the Visual Studio Code and then you can uh, delete and you can change with uh, strip log item contents. And then you can check, refresh. You can check why not. Okay, you can go to Official Studio Code and then this delete model one. Okay, you can control S and then this close, and then you can check again, refresh. Okay, you can okay, okay, you can go back, go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, tab index one e dollar e, okay, dollar e ID portfolio model. Okay, sorry, portfolio model like this. And then you can refresh. So, not display. Why not display storage URL items to text? So this is close. This is delete. And then you can refresh it. Okay, not have. Okay, guys, the error because in partner item, this is model one, so this is before and this is after. You can delete one, number one, and then you can go back to web, and then oh yeah, uh, I I add a new poster, new partner, postman again, and you can click this one time postman and this postman and this integrate io. So we will add a link. So this we will add link. So you can go to Visual Studio Code and then scroll down. You can go to BPM, partner model, partner model, partner model text, partner model text, and under item content you can type div with class M5. Then inside div we can click a link, a link, and take a item link, target blank. Okay, like this, and then you can check and you can refresh, can click and link as display. Okay, so you can check Postman, Integratio, and the link. This is okay. Okay, so that's all from me today in this video. So I am sorry for the mistake and thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.